You've probably heard the whispers, something big is coming from DJI. Something that could redefine what an action camera truly is. And if the leaks are right, the DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't just another upgrade, it's a bold challenge to GoPro's dominance. Today, we're diving deep into every leak, every rumor, every little clue about DJI's next major release, the Osmo Action 6. And trust me, by the time this video ends, you'll understand exactly why people are calling it the most advanced action camera ever built. Imagine an action cam that captures cinematic quality footage, performs like a pro in low light, integrates with your smartwatch, and records in stunning 8K resolution. Yeah, that's the level of insanity we're talking about right now. Over the last few weeks, several design leaks have surfaced. The Osmo Action 6 appears sleeker, more refined, and more aerodynamic. It's still rugged, still waterproof, but with smoother edges and a stronger mounting system that's clearly designed for extreme conditions. There are even leaked images of it mounted on motorcycles, hinting that DJI is targeting stability and durability like never before. If those leaks are real, DJI has built something that looks just as professional as it performs, but the real magic lies inside. Multiple sources claim the Osmo Action 6 will feature a new 1-inch or possibly a 1.1-inch sensor, a big step up from the previous model. That means better depth, more detail, richer colors, and far superior low-light performance. It's not just an action cam anymore, it's a pocket-sized cinematic tool. And here's where it gets wild. The leaks mention a variable aperture lens, possibly between f2.0 and f4.0. No action camera has ever done that before. You'll be able to adjust the aperture depending on lighting conditions, giving you control like a professional filmmaker. This isn't just an incremental upgrade. It's a creative revolution. DJI clearly understands what creators want. People don't just want more pixels. They want control, flexibility, and professional options in a compact body. A variable aperture gives exactly that freedom. And then there's the video performance. Rumors suggest full 8K recording capability. Yes, 8K. That's 4 times the detail of 4K with sharper visuals and more room to crop without losing quality. Combine that with 4K at 120 frames per second and 1080p at 240 frames per second, and you have a machine built for cinematic slow motion. If this is true, DJI might just have built the most powerful action cam we've ever seen. There's also talk of smartwatch connectivity. According to the leaks, the Osmo Action 6 could sync with Garmin watches or even the Apple Watch, letting users control recording, track GPS, monitor data, or overlay stats directly into their videos. Imagine mountain biking and seeing your heart rate, speed, and elevation appear live in your footage. That's not just video anymore. That's storytelling powered by data. DJI is combining lifestyle, sport, and creativity into one smart device. The software side is getting smarter too. DJI's rock-steady stabilization is already industry-leading. But now we're hearing about a new generation, Rocksteady 4.0, enhanced by AI. It will learn your movements in real time, predict sudden shifts, and keep your footage stable without needing a gimbal. For vloggers, bikers, and travelers, that's massive. It's stability that thinks for you. One area where DJI always had room to improve was audio, and the rumors say that's changing too. The Osmo Action 6 could feature a redesigned triple microphone system with advanced wind reduction and beamforming technology. That means cleaner, richer sound, even at high speeds or in windy conditions. DJI seems to be addressing every small complaint from the last model. The display is another area of interest. Some leaks suggest a nearly edge-to-edge front touchscreen with higher brightness for better outdoor visibility, while others say the rear screen might have a slight curve for smoother navigation. If that's real, DJI could deliver the most responsive and user-friendly interface ever seen, and an action cam battery life is also rumored to be getting a serious boost. Reports mention up to 20% longer use compared to the Action 5 Pro. That could mean around 200 minutes of recording on a single charge at certain resolutions. Combine that with faster USB-C charging and improved heat management, and you've got a camera built for marathon sessions, not quick clips. Then comes AI integration. DJI has been embedding AI tech across its entire product range, from drones to gimbals, and the Osmo Action 6 will likely take it even further. We're talking intelligent horizon balancing, scene detection, and real-time object recognition. The camera could automatically identify what you're filming, adjust settings, and optimize color and focus instantly. It's like having a smart assistant built right into your camera. Now let's talk about price. Based on current rumors, the Osmo Action 6 might launch somewhere between $499 and $549. That's slightly more expensive than the previous generation, but with the new features, 8K video, larger sensor, variable aperture, smartwatch integration, AI processing, it's more than justified. DJI isn't just making another action camera, they're building a premium filmmaking tool in miniature form. And then there's the competition. GoPro's Hero 13 is strong. Insta360 is growing fast, but DJI is playing a different game. Their combination of hardware precision, color science, and AI is unmatched. If these leaks hold true, DJI could finally surpass GoPro not just in innovation, but in reliability and performance. As for the release, several reports including Notebook Check and Tech Radar hint that DJI might officially unveil the Osmo Action 6 around November 19, 2025. That's right before the holiday shopping season, which is the perfect time for a launch. If that date is accurate, pre-orders could begin mid-November, and the camera could hit shelves worldwide before Christmas. So if you've been thinking about buying an action cam this year, you might want to wait just a little longer. Think about how DJI will market this. 8K footage of skydivers, surfers, bikers, snowboarders, footage so sharp it looks unreal. That's how DJI builds hype. Not with ads, but with visuals that stop you in your tracks. The Osmo Action 6 is designed to make creators question what's possible in such a tiny camera. What's even more exciting is how it fits into DJI's growing ecosystem. From drones to microphones, everything connects. The Osmo Action 6 will likely sync seamlessly with the updated DJI Mimo app, which now includes faster AI editing, smart templates, and direct uploads to social platforms. You'll be able to shoot, sync, and share without ever opening your laptop. The app could even auto-generate cinematic edits from your footage using AI, complete with transitions and beats matched to your clips. For creators, that's like having a full editing team in your pocket. So here's what we're looking at. A new design, a larger sensor, a world-first variable aperture, 8K video recording, AI stabilization, smartwatch connectivity, improved battery life, and professional-level audio. It's not just an update, it's a leap forward. DJI is proving they're not just keeping up with the competition, they're setting the pace. But of course, the question remains, will it live up to the hype? We'll find out soon enough. All we can do now is watch the leaks, follow the clues, and wait for DJI to make it official. What's clear is that when DJI moves, the entire camera industry pays attention. Because the Osmo Action 6 might not just capture action, it might redefine it completely. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay ahead of every new leak and update, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone thinking about buying an action camera. The next generation of action filmmaking is almost here, and you don't want to miss what DJI is about to unleash.